In this video, I'll show you how to install the Downloader app on your Sony Bravia TV. This app lets you easily download files and apps that aren't available on the Google Play Store. Step 1. Turn on your Sony Bravia TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open Google Play Store. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to and open the Google Play Store app. Step 3. Search for Downloader. Use the search bar and type Downloader. The app should appear in the search results. Step 4. Install the Downloader app. Select the Downloader app from the list. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Step 5. Open Downloader. Once installed, press the Home button and find the Downloader app in your apps list. Open it and grant any permissions it asks for. Bonus tip: enable unknown sources. To install apps outside the Play Store, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions, Unknown Sources. Enable it for Downloader. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Sony Bravia tips and tricks.